Creativity is the ability to harness endless possibility.
Growth is the development and improvement of something.
Growth is the change from a baby to a child and from a child to an adult.
Growth is like a filling bucket. It continues growing until it can't no more.
Creativity is the tendency to generate or recognize ideas, alternatives, or possibilities that may be useful in solving problems.
So creativity is the act of making something new. It's the ability of development in new problem-solving skills.
Growth is knowing that a smile could be more than just a facial expression. Be the caterpillar in a cocoon and grow.
Creativity is about losing yourself and discovering yourself at the same time. It's about being spontaneous and discovering inner peace.
Creativity is about creating something, beyond your imagination. Expressing yourself. Creativity is about sending a message out there.
Creativity is the ability to create a plain paper and create art out of it. Creativity is the reason why we're here. Creativity is the reason why we look forward to the future.